Which is a way better smelling, way better ingredient, non-aerosol W. Why?
My friend sent me this ad and asked if it was legal, so let's talk about it. Before we get into that, hi, I'm Natasha. I'm an attorney. I talk all things advertising. If you want to schedule a call with me, go to theadvertisinglawyer.com. So the crux of the issue here is, what are do's and don'ts for comparative advertising? What is legal and what is illegal? First things first is, can you do comparative advertising? If you have a brand and you want to compare to another brand, can you do that? And the answer is yes. And the next question is, can you name that specific brand? And the answer to that is also yes. If you are brand X and brand Y has a similar product, you can compare directly to brand Y. The general rule, which is true of all advertising, is that comparative advertising has to be truthful and not misleading. You also have to have substantiation for your claims. So Jake Paul said that his body spray has better ingredients, is non-aerosol, and smells better than Axe's body spray. If Jake Paul were to be challenged, he would have to show why he thought that his ingredients were better. As you can see, there are a few ingredients. I don't know how good or bad these ingredients are. He would have to provide substantiation. And these are Axe's ingredients. I do see some ingredients that may be considered more toxic, but again, that would be shown in substantiation if this were to be challenged. The claim non-aerosol is either truthful or it's not, but let's talk about the smelling better. That is a subjective claim, so that will be interesting to see how that is proven. Another aspect to consider is that any denigrating claims must be narrowly tailored so they do not falsely disparage a competitor. So if Jake Paul's claims about his body spray being better falsely disparage Axe, then it could be problematic. He does say that Axe smells like shit, so that could be disparaging. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the follow button and let me know if you have any other questions.